Hi, welcome back to HIWIN Scara Robot Tutorial 8. Today I am going to explain interruptions and alarms. According to the priority, there are 8 levels of interrupt that can be assigned and triggered by digital inputs. Interrupts are essential because they give the user better control over the system. For example, without interrupts, a user may have to wait for a given application, such as a point-to-point movement. Interrupt ensures that the robot will deal with the process immediately. We suggest recording the position during the interrupt with the get point command. Then, the robot can go back to the recorded point before resuming the main sequence. Next, if the robot encountered alarms, you could follow the instruction to solve them. First, check the error code to identify the reason. Then follow the solution given to clear away the alarm. If you are using a PLC, you can define a digital input at the robot to clear away the error. Besides, you can also define external alarms to the robot to cease the operation. Let's look at the simulation. We begin to define I/O for clearing errors and external alarms. Save it before start the logic. Now I am going to trigger interrupt for a higher priority task. After completion, it will resume back the main operation. Next, I will trigger the external alarm. You can observe the error code in the message window. I can clear it with the digital I/O. You can download the program code in the description below. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. See you next time.